Okay, a very unique situation here where we've had to turn down the audio for 3 reasons. Number 1, to protect the innocent. Number 2, to protect the not so innocent. And number 3, and most importantly, to protect the not so innocent's jobs.
Here they come. Here they come. Hurry up. Big group.
This September goose hunt was actually a Avery photo shoot for me. Wayne Radcliffe, the Avery territory manager, arranged this hunt with 4 other Avery pro staffers, and it was just all about taking pictures. It was a good morning.
It's a big group, so we gotta hurry up.
Again, with this being a photo shoot, the thought was if the birds weren't centered, we weren't shooting them. And we weren't going to waste shots on birds that I couldn't take pictures of.
You know, it's that Jeff Hughes call. Here it comes.
Who's calling it, Georgie?
Are you ready, Jeff? You're ready whenever you want.
That would have been a good one.
I'm sorry.
Let him.
Get him. Get him. Here he comes. Come on, please.
Somebody get him.
Get him, George.
Right there.
Along with Wayne Radcliffe this morning, we have along Jeff Crate, George Zaraka,
Shoot him or what?
Paul Kupka, and Marshall Starkey.
They gotta be perfect, guys. You ain't shooting. These fuckers are gonna get pretty quick.
Take him if you want.
Get him!
Wayne and Cup playing cleanup over
One more.
Sorry, guys. Yeah.
It's all hurting us because we're going to shoot a couple.
I didn't see him right here. I was watching him forward.
Yeah,
He was like, pole.
Now here's the money shot, right?
They don't land.
What do you think, Wayne? Got him, Jeff?
Yep.
What do you think, Wayne? Yeah. Kill him!
We'll bring his neck in camera.
It's kind of screwed up, man. Through the lens of my camera, here's some images from the hunt.
Guys, right over here.
Come on, Wayne, hop in.
Get out. To the left. To the left.
Coming right over the trees.
We're gonna do the same thing.
Oh, here they come.
What do you think, Wayne? Yeah. Get him!